Imagine a world where the skies above us are not just filled with clouds and stars, but also with the ships of extraterrestrial beings. A world where humanity's place in the universe is no longer a question, but a reality. Today, we're going to explore one of humanity's most enduring questions. What if aliens visited Earth? Let's delve into the potential consequences of such a momentous event and see how it might shape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. For centuries, humans have pondered the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Scientific advancements have fueled our search, with projects like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, actively listening for signals from distant civilizations. While we have yet to make definitive contact, the possibility remains tantalizing. Let's explore some of the potential outcomes of an alien visitation. Technological advancement. Contact with an advanced alien civilization could provide humanity with groundbreaking technologies that could revolutionize our lives. Imagine acquiring knowledge of energy sources, medicine, or space travel that far surpasses our current capabilities. Cultural impact. An alien encounter would undoubtedly have a profound impact on human culture. Our understanding of our place in the universe, our values, and our priorities could be fundamentally altered. Global unity. A shared threat from an extraterrestrial source could unite humanity, transcending differences and fostering cooperation on a global scale. Conflict. Conversely, an alien visitation could lead to conflict as nations compete for resources or power in the face of a new threat. Existential risk. In the worst-case scenario, an alien civilization might pose an existential threat to humanity. Their intentions could be hostile, and their technology could be vastly superior.